We hit 35 degrees today, ending the streak of below freezing temperatures for we ended the streak at 335 hours. But that has something to do with what's going on across central Indiana, because we do have some warmer temperatures and warmer air just a few feet above the ground, but the surface is much colder. Tonight, Guardian radar showing you moisture moving back into the area. Generally, everybody is seeing freezing rain right now, even the blues showing up. I haven't found any reports nearby of any snow. For that, you've got to go up towards Gary, Indiana. But look back to the south and west and to the west. You can see there's still more moisture has begun to slide into central Indiana as we go through the overnight hours and into early tomorrow morning. Winter weather advisories are in effect around central Indiana until late tomorrow morning. That does include the entire viewing area of CBS 4. I put the air temperatures on with our radar display off the computer model just to give you an idea of where our air temperatures will be as this moisture continues to fall. Here we are at 11:30. Freezing rain continues to fall across the area. And you'll notice as we go through right around 1 o'clock, we'll start to see a transition from from freezing rain to snow in Indianapolis, but areas south and east of that line still seeing the potential for some freezing rain. That transition zone will keep moving off to the east and southeast by 3 o'clock in the morning. Most areas changing over to snow, except for down towards Columbus, Seymour, Bedford, and over towards Rushville. You're right on the edge of seeing it transitioning over to snow. And then that will be the case by 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. There may be another little quick burst of snow that comes through during the early morning hours for the morning commute. But then after 9 o'clock or so, we'll keep clouds around the area tomorrow, but we will be done with the precipitation. Right now, here's a live look over downtown Indianapolis. And these are some little icicles starting to form with the raindrops falling on our lens as we're up above the ground downtown. 35 degrees is our air temperature at the airport. So we're actually well above freezing right now. In fact, across central Indiana, temperatures running in the middle to upper 30s. But it's not the air temperature that matters. It's the surface temperature that matters. I went out this afternoon with one of our laser thermometers to measure the temperature readings on different surfaces outside. Parking lots right at 23 degrees, sidewalks at 24, the soils at 25 degrees, cars parked outside in the upper 20s, vegetation, trees 26 to 27 degrees, and the top of snow right at 22 degrees. So any of the moisture that falls will likely freeze if it's untreated. And areas I think we have quite a bit of salt on, like some parking lots and some roads, I think will be okay, but it's the side streets, driveways, and sidewalks that may be a little slick tomorrow morning. Our computer model is suggesting generally less than 0.05 of an inch of freezing rain by tomorrow morning, or ice. But just remember, 1/100th of an inch of ice can cause big problems. So you want to pay attention to what the conditions are like tomorrow morning as you're heading out to drive. And on top of the freezing rain, we'll have maybe up to 1 to 2 inches of snow north of I-70. South of there, we're talking less than 1 inch of snow. So the bottom line out of all this, we'll see initially as freezing rain going on right now. Overnight, we'll see it changing to snow, and then we could have a slick commute tomorrow morning for the commute. Temperatures tomorrow not looking too bad. We'll be back up in the mid to upper 30s. Some freezing fog possible early Tuesday morning, and then temperatures jumping back into the 50s. It'll be short-lived. 48 Friday falling. We'll see a chance for some accumulating snow by Saturday, and a high of 16 if we're lucky by the end of next weekend.
All right, John, thanks so much.